Hello everyone, welcome to High Voltage YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to discuss concept plus objective bits on SCR. SCR combines the features of rectifier and transistor. SCR stands for Silicon Control Rectifier. As its name indicates, SCR is made up of silicon and not a germanium because silicon has small leakage current. Structure and symbol of SCR. SCR is an unidirectional 4-layer. P is the first layer, N is the second layer, again P is the third layer, again N is the fourth layer. 3 PN junctions J1, J2, J3 and 3 terminals, namely as anode, cathode, gate, current controlled semiconductor switching device. The terminal connected to outer and P region or layer is called anode. The terminal connected to outer and N region is called cathode, and the terminal connected to middle of the P region is called gate. We will see working of the SCR. There are 3 modes of operation for an SCR, that is forward blocking mode, forward conduction mode, reverse blocking mode. So first we will see case 1. In case 1, gate is open, anode is positive and cathode is negative. When the anode voltage is made positive with respect to cathode of SCR and there is no voltage is applied at gate terminal, under this condition junction J2 act as a reverse biased while junctions J1 and J3 act as a forward bias. At this position, the SCR will behave like forward blocking mode. If the anode to cathode voltage VAK is increased gradually, the reverse biased junction J2 will break down. This is known as avalanche breakdown, and the voltage at which the junction J2 will break down, that voltage is known as forward breakover voltage, and it is represented in the graph as VBO as shown in figure. Hence, all the 3 junctions will allow the electrons from anode to cathode. Consequently, a large current will flow. This is known as forward anode current. At this position, the SCR is to be on state, that is forward conducting state. Let's see case 2. Gate is closed, anode is negative and cathode is positive. When cathode voltage is made positive with respect to anode of SCR and there is a small voltage is applied at gate terminal, under these conditions junctions J1 and J3 acts as a reverse biased and J2 act as a forward biased. At this position, the SCR behaves like reverse blocking mode. If the reverse voltage is increased, there is a critical breakdown level called reverse breakdown voltage. An avalanche breakdown occurs at junctions J1 and J3, and the reverse current increases rapidly. Due to this large reverse current, losses will be increased. Hence, it may lead to damage the SCR. At this position, the SCR is to be in off state. We will see some important objective bits on SCR. First one is, an SCR has dash semiconductor layers A 2, B 3, C 4, D none of the above. The answer is C 4. Next is, an SCR combines the features of A rectifier and a resistor, B a rectifier and a transistor, C a rectifier and a capacitor, D none of the above. The answer is B, a rectifier and transistor. Next one is an SCR behaves as a dash switch. A, unidirectional, B, bidirectional, C, mechanical, D, none of the above. The answer is A, unidirectional. Next one is an SCR is made of A, germanium, B, silicon, C, carbon, D, none of the above. The answer is B, silicon. Next is an SCR is a dash triggered device. A, voltage, B, current, C, voltage as well as current, D, none of the above. The answer is B, current control device or current trigger device. Next one is with the anode positive with respect to cathode and the gate circuit open, the SCR is said to be in the A, reverse blocking mode, B, reverse conduction mode, C, forward blocking mode, D, forward conduction mode. The answer is C, forward blocking mode. Next one is an SCR has dash PN junctions. A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, none of the above. This question is for your knowledge. Kindly answer me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share to your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then you will not miss my video notification.